Hey guys, look at this. I am running OpenClaude for free on my Android phone. And yes, this is the same Claude code which leaked just a few days back. Anthropic accidentally left their entire source code on the internet. The community found it, rebuilt it, and now it runs completely free on any Android phone. And the crazy part? This is not just a chatbot. This thing has full access to your actual phone. Camera, battery, Wi-Fi, flashlight, everything. Don't believe me? Let me show you right now. I'm just going to ask it to turn on dark mode. Just give it the command and wait for it. Okay, so look at this. It actually opened my settings app by itself. And now it is literally looking at my screen, figuring out where to tap, and doing it on its own. And there it is. Dark mode is on. So yeah, this is not just running commands. This thing is actually controlling my phone like a human would. It sees the screen, it finds the button, and taps it. Now, as we all know, Claude Code is absolutely crazy when it comes to coding tasks. So I just connected my Samsung phone to a monitor in DeX mode, basically turning my phone into a full desktop. And now let me give it a real coding task. Create a sample Node.js backend with a sample APIs. And watch what OpenClaude does. It is not just writing code, it is actually creating the files, setting up the folder structure, writing every single line by itself. And yes, it's done. A full working Node backend on a phone. And lastly, let me give it one more task. Let's ask it to build a snake game in HTML and CSS. It will just write everything on its own. The game logic, the UI, the controls, everything. And there it is, a fully working snake game built on a phone. And it actually works. So from controlling your phone hardware to writing backends to building games, this thing does it all. Alright, now let's get this installed on your phone. And honestly, the installation is quite simple. I already created a GitHub repo which makes everything super easy. Just check the description below for the link. You can read through it once if you want, but let's just start. First, you need to download 3 apps from their official GitHub repos: Termux, Termux API, and Shizuku. Links for all 3 are in the description. Once all 3 are installed, first open the Shizuku app. Inside Shizuku, you will see it says Shizuku is not running. So we need to start it. Now, if you have a PC, just copy this command from the description and run it. That's the easiest way. But if you don't have a PC, no worries. I have a separate video for that. Check the card above. Once Shizuku is running, click on the option that says Use Shizuku in Terminal, then tap Export Files. Next, create a folder and name it Shizuku. Make sure the S is capital. Then tap on Use this folder, and we are done with Shizuku. Now go back to the GitHub repo, and there you will see multiple commands listed out. You can run them one by one if you want to know exactly what each one is doing. Or you can just run this single command, which is basically a combination of all of them together. Once copied, first open the Termux API app. And here it will ask you for permissions. Just grant whatever access you want to give. If you want full phone access like what I showed earlier, then grant everything accordingly. Next, it's time for the Termux app. Let me open it. In Termux, just paste the full command and run it. First, it will update Termux and install a few packages, so just wait for it. Now it is asking for an OpenRouter API key. Just check the description for the link, grab your free API key from there, and paste it right here. Next, it is asking which model you want to run. And all these models are completely free on OpenRouter, so just pick anyone you like. Let me go with Gemma. Next, hit enter, and it will install OpenClaude on your phone. This might take around 2 to 3 minutes, so just wait for it. And yes, OpenClaude is now installed on our Android phone. Now this script actually comes with 2 modes, normal and limitless. In limitless mode, it will perform all tasks without asking for your confirmation. In normal mode, it will ask you before doing anything. So choose accordingly. Let me just type Claude and hit enter. It will take around 10 to 15 seconds to load, so just wait. And there we go. OpenClaude is now running on our Android phone. Let's quickly check if it is working. Oops, we got an error. But don't worry. This basically means too many people are using this model right now, and it is getting overloaded. We just need to switch the model. So just run this command, bash termux _setup.sh. Here choose option 2 to change the model. Pick anyone from the list, and you are done. Let's check again. And there we go. It is now responding. That means OpenClaude is fully up and running on our Android phone. So that is OpenClaude, the leaked Claude code, running completely free on an Android phone. If you want to try this yourself, the GitHub repo and all the links are in the description below. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.